I learned today from my producer, and I can't believe my husband didn't tell me this. He must have read about it in the trades, but I did not know that they're doing a Sopranos prequel. Do you know anything about this?
What I heard that it's about, it takes place in Newark, New Jersey in 1968 or 9. And it's somewhat centered around, I guess there were like terrible race riots at the time. And I don't know how much of it's gonna involve the Soprano characters. My character wasn't even born in the late 60s, so I won't be, I guess I won't be there.
You're not gonna be in it.
But David Chase, who created The Sopranos and wrote, you know, a lot of them.
He's behind it?
He wrote the screenplay.
Cool.
So he's great, and I'm sure if he wrote
I'm sure it'll be great quality.
It's gonna be very good, yeah.
All right, we can go together and I'll make you spaghetti.
That always sounds good. Yes.
So, you know, off camera, you are quite a good cook. He was on Chopped, and you won the first round, then you took the whole thing, right? Celebrity version of Cooked.
Yes.
The only time I was conned one time into doing one of those competitive cooking things, I was on Iron Chef once. It was the worst 24 hours of my entire life.
No, it's really stressful because...
Was it stressful for you?
Really.
Oh.
It was because you're being timed, right? And you don't know what you're gonna cook till right before you start. And it's an unfamiliar kitchen and all this stuff. Then on top of it all, there's cameras in your face following you around the whole time you're doing it.
It's horrible. I'm telling you,
yeah.
I still have nightmares about that Iron Chef.
Not easy.
And we won, by the way. It was a happy outcome.
You guys
Nightmare.
won.
Nightmare. Did you ever think about doing, like, how into cooking are you? Did you ever think about doing a cookbook or a cooking show or reality thing?
I'm not that.
No, not at all.
I'm not good enough for that. I mean, I didn't even know what Chopped was when they offered it, and my kids watched it, and they were like, you got to do this because you'll win.
It's so cool.
Yeah, they're like, you're going to win if you do it. I'm like, I don't even know. I said, okay, well, if you win, you get money for charity. So I was like, that's cool. And I wound up, my kids were right, and I wound up winning.
What did you cook?
I made like a lobster bucatini. I made like ice cream with vanilla and bourbon. I made, tried to use a lot of alcohol, just I figured it would sway the judges in the right direction.
Me too, baby, me too. It always works.